Welcome to the famous cyber city in China. Let's enjoy these different places I visited.
Look at the train. Look. Oh, look, it's still far away. That's crazy. You would think it's like a normal square. And then you come here. What happened?
太恐怖了！
Ooh.
我们以为
It's not a normal square.
原来在
These people live below the square. That's crazy. Yeah, Chongqing is pretty special. It's more than the TikTok videos. It's definitely a must-do, must-visit. It's totally different than Beijing. It's more like a breathing city, active city. Even for the one day we are here, it feels more inviting. It's more creative, adventurous. Yeah, definitely recommend you coming here and maybe spend some more time because I think there's plenty to explore. So we are here in the Kuixing building. So it looks like a normal square here. So we will have a look and see if it's a normal square. Have some food, fruits. Oh wow, look. Have a little markets here. Yeah, me too actually. That's not real.
So here we were walking towards the famous drop down. So there you can see the 22 floors down and you see that it's not only a square.
You would think it's like a normal square. And then you come here. What happened?
太恐怖了！
Ooh.
我们以为
It's not a normal square.
原来在
These people live below the square. That's crazy. That's crazy. Street is below. People living below the square. Yeah, that's crazy. Even on this side. Welcome to Diguo World, the famous Spider-Man. So much lights. No, we can't have a look. Looks like very sweet. Okay, I guess we can go Pizza Hut then.
So Digi World is pretty fun. It's very famous for the different lights and it looks amazing. It's some kind of food mall with different shops, I think, but we only had a couple of minutes even to visit this whole place, because we were literally going from place to place in one day, in maybe 5-6 hours. We are trying to visit all these famous spots in Chongqing, and we really enjoyed it actually. So I think it's a very good place to visit, and it's very different than Shanghai or Beijing. It's a totally different vibe, and as I said, it has some of these interesting places which you would not see, I think, in Shanghai, Beijing. It has the futuristic vibe. It has these jungle-like areas where literally plants are growing all over the place, but like on purpose to make it, I think, breathable, livable. So very interesting. Digi World also had a lot of food stalls, and I think it's probably pretty nice to visit if you have the time. You can definitely come here and spend your time a bit more to eat the food that you want to eat, but we didn't have the time, and it looked very clean. Maybe there's some other shops you could actually visit, but I think most people come here for the pictures and enjoying all the different lights here. So yeah, this is one of the key stops you have to do, in my opinion, to see the famous Spider-Man. So let's continue with the other spots.
Welcome to Chongqing. Amazing boardwalk here where we can have a walk and enjoy the view of the bridge.
Yeah.
Wow.
So as I said, I think Chongqing is very special. We only had one day, but it feels like a concrete jungle. So I definitely recommend putting it on your itinerary. For us, it was a bit unexpected because we were flying back straight from Beijing home, but unexpectedly we had to change the flight, and we were ending up in a layover from almost one day in Chongqing, which was so perfect because it gave us the opportunity to not lose too much time but still see this whole city as much as we could. And we were able to do it with the cheap taxis. Obviously there's also metro stations, but we really had to be very efficient, go to a spot and take a picture, and then in the evening we had a little bit of time of doing a walk around this way. And as you can see, it's beautiful along the canal. You can also see on the other side of this canal, you see some crazy buildings, some amazing lights, and that's the interesting part of Chongqing. You see some, let's say, less attractive buildings. I mean, the building where a metro goes through. I mean, you don't want to live there and have your neighbor on top of you is a metro, so that's gonna be a bit noisy probably. I don't know if there's actually a lot of people living there, but I assume there are people living there, or some businesses are in this building, so it's for sure not an empty building. But that shows how this city is built. It's built to be efficient, and also these roads you see here are like little winding roads crossing each other, up, down, left, right. So it's very interesting to see, and that's why I also call it a concrete jungle. But very nice to go. And let's go to the next spot here, which is also very beautiful.
So we are arriving here at the famous bridge, and what's called one of the main inspirations of a famous movie, and it's a city full of light inside a concrete jungle, and we are closing up to it. It looks so beautiful. Look, they take like picture with the blurry. Wow.
坐游船夜景游轮最后一班了，没买票这里买票。
So this will be the end of this amazing video, this experience in Chongqing in China, the famous city, cyber city, which everyone calls. I'm still struggling a bit to see the cyber elements, because obviously there's a lot of the lights, but still it feels like a very down-to-earth city. And maybe I've seen some more futuristic cities actually in China, but still probably it is very futuristic, and very beautiful for sure. There's so many different spots you can explore, and even this area here, there's so many areas where you can go through, walk up, have a dinner, have a view. We didn't do that at all. We took the famous pictures, but we didn't have the time to go through the little streets, and those are the streets where most of the time the magic happens. So next time we definitely go back here and explore a bit more the city, take a couple of days, because I feel this city is actually one of those cities where you can spend more than one day. We went to Shanghai, Beijing, those are also pretty nice cities, but they feel less authentic. This feels like something that grew organically. Literally, as I said, the plants are growing all over the places. So yeah, end of the video. If you want to see more of my videos, go have a look on my channel. And for the last couple of seconds and minutes, I'll leave you with this amazing view, me scrolling on my phone. See you. Bye bye.